Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new layer on your photos using the Pixlr app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, now you want to add a new layer on your Pixlr. Now tap onto Tools button right here. Then here you can find the option of double exposure. Now go ahead and select it. Then to add a new layer, you can choose from one of these options, which is AI image generation, add original or add edited. Now choose one of it and simply tap on it. Then choose one photo that you want to add as a layer, just like this. Now you can see the new layer has been added to your photo. Now you can use one of these effects that you can add to your layer, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can add new layer on your photos in the Pixlr app. Now you can add as much as layers however you like to add it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.